Hello and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of Consensus. After, we're going to go into Gamma so that it can generate a presentation of the information created on Consensus. And then we are going to go into Canva so that we can record the presentation. This is what I do with my students. I require them to get information and to create a video of their work. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is get an account on Consensus. And if we have one, we're just going to log in. My topic is Immersive Technologies in Education. Next, I'm going to hit the arrow going right. And here comes the information. Really fast. There, you can see how it's organized. Benefits of immersive technologies in education, challenges and barriers, future directions, and research opportunities. Isn't that amazing? And all the citations are here. If you want to take a look at them, we're going to go into this drop-down menu, Copy with Citations. And here they are, my favorite style, APA 7. And notice it's all here with the inline citations. As I prefer, they're all very current, as you can see. And it's absolutely perfect. A wonderful summary. This is going to turn into a presentation. Notice all the URLs are here as well. So I'm going to copy it. Notice I've already done this. Let me show you what I have done by going into the left here. Notice today and the last 7 days, everything is documented and is available right here. So I don't lose anything and I can continue my research. In this case, we're talking about my students, which is exactly the same because that's what I require them to do. I require them to conduct the research and present their work using audio and their webcams. Notice I'm going to go into today so you can see what's here. It's this. Let's go into what was before, Immersive Technologies 7 days ago. Notice there is a paper here that I wanted to save. Now make sure you save things so that it stays. That's really important. So for today, I'm going to save this. Save my search. And notice I can create a new list, but I already have one. So let me just include it in that list so that it will be available. As I said, next I have already copied the citations and everything else. Going to go into Gamma. Now Gamma generates presentations as well as other things, but in my case I'm interested in the presentation. I'm not going to show you how it works, but trust me, it's really fast. This is what I've created. There's the presentation. Next, I'm going to share it so that I can have it on Canva. Going to go into share, and then I've got a few ways of sharing it. I'm going to choose export to Google Slides and add it there. Once the finished product, the presentation that was generated by Gamma, is in Google Slides, I can go into Canva. In Canva, going to go into Uploads and then into Google Drive presentation. And here it is. Notice what's next. Next, I'm going to go into Present, click on that, and then Present and Record. But before I do that, I'd like to show you what it looks like. So let's go into Autoplay and Present so you can see it. And notice this is what I got from Consensus. All the information was in Consensus. Gamma turned it into a presentation, and notice how wonderful it is. Very, very clear. And notice also the inline citations are also available at the bottom where they should be. And here they are, more inline citations. And then notice the implementation. Everything is divided the way it was on Consensus. And there's the list of references. And that's it. If you want to make changes, notice if you would like to fix things, you can do that on Canva, or you can do it on Gamma. That's possible too. If you want everything to be shown up like this, exactly as it is, and no different, you can make the changes here, and then things will change. And that's it. If you'd like to share this information, you can share it. Notice you can copy the page link and share it with your colleagues. I always ask my students to share a copy of their work. I think that's very, very important for them to have, and also for me to take a look at. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below. And enjoy Consensus. It is simple and so easy to use. You will love it, and so will your students.